Hi, today in front of me Oppo A77 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So to do that, let's first open the settings and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ringtone volume panel. Just to unmute a ringtone, we should hold for a while and slide to the right side ringtone volume panel. Also, we get one more way how we can do that with the help of the up volume button by this way. But first, be sure that in advanced settings in volume button function you have selected the ringtone volume, and after that you could just mute or unmute ringtone volume with the press of the up or down volume button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs ups and subscribe our channel.